Dear all, this video discusses a problem related to Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization procedure. So, see the problem, that is, consider a set of signals. The signal is given as Si of t is equal to root of 2 e by t into cos of 2 pi fct minus I into pi by 4 for the interval 0 to t, and it is equivalent to 0 elsewhere, and the value of I is given for 0 to 3. Fc is an integer multiple of 1 by t. So in the problem, it is asked to find the dimensionality n of the signal set, then the set of orthonormal basis functions, then the coefficients Sij of the signal Si of t, and the signal constellation diagram. So in order to solve this problem, so here this is equivalent to cos of a minus b. So cos of a minus b is given by the formula cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So this can be elaborated and written as, so elaborating and writing the equation can be written as Si of t is equivalent to, given by this formula, that is using cos a minus b formula. So if you compare this signal with the general equation, that is equivalent to S11 into phi1 of t plus S12 into phi2 of t. So from this equation we can write what is phi1 of t and phi2 of t. So the basis functions, that is phi1 of t, phi2 of t, can be written as phi1 of t. If you compare the equation, it will be equivalent to root of 2 by t into cos of 2 pi fct, and phi2 of t will be equivalent to root of 2 by t into sin of 2 pi fct. So this is for the interval 0 to capital T. So you have two basis functions. So dimensionality of the signal set is n is equivalent to 2. So now in order to find the signals, first consider for I equal to 0. So that means elaborating the equation, that is S0 of t. So substituting I equal to 0 in the equation, this can be written as cos of 0 pi by 4 into cos of 2 pi fct. So if you compare this equation with the basis function is given by root of 2 by t into cos of 2 pi fct. So the remaining part is root e into phi 1 of t. Now second one, that is for I equal to 1. So now S1 of t is equivalent to root of 2e by t into cos of pi by 4 into cos of 2 pi fct. This is elaborating the equation given in the problem. So plus root of 2e by t into sin of pi by 4 into sin of 2 pi fct. So again, comparing with the basis function, this can be written as root of e by 2 into phi 1 of t plus root of e by 2 into phi 2 of t. Now again finding out for third, that is we have I is varying from 0 to 3. So for I equal to 2, next S1 of t will be, that is S2 of t will be equivalent to root of e by t into cos of pi by 2 into cos of 2 pi fct plus root of 2e by t into sin of 2 pi by 4. So 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining will be pi by 2 into sin of 2 pi fct. So again, if this equation is compared, this will be equivalent to root of 2e by t into sine of 2 pi fct equivalent to root e into phi 2 of t. Now next one is for I equal to 3. So S3 of t will be equivalent to root of 2e by t into cos of 3 pi by 4 into cos of 2 pi fct plus root 2e by t into sine of 3 pi by 4 into sine of 2 pi fct. So again, if you, so this will be equivalent to cos 3 by 4 will be equal, 3 pi by 4 is minus, so minus 1. So this will be root of e by 2 into cos of so this will be equivalent to, so cos 3 by pi by 4 will be minus 1. So minus of root e by 2 into phi 1 of t plus root e by 2 into phi 2 of t. So the coordinates of signal vector will be, so comparing everything, taking the coordinates alone, so that will be root e 0, then s1 will be equivalent to root e by 2, root e by 2, s2 will be equivalent to 0, root e, s3 will be equivalent to minus root e by 2, root e by 2. This is obtained by just considering the equations, that is, you have this equations. So from this equations, if you take only this components, so that will give you the coordinates of the signal vector. So now next step is you have to draw the signal constellation diagram. So when you are drawing the signal constellation diagram, you are considering the basis functions. So now you have to mark each points. First one is root e 0. So root e 0. Then you have s2, which is equivalent to 0 root e. Then you have the point root e by 2, root e by 2, which is equivalent to s1. So this is s0, this is s2, and then you have s3 minus root e by 2, root e by 2. So in this way you obtain the signal constellation diagram. So this is how you solve the problem. So do like, share and subscribe to the channel for latest updates.